A second physical property of alkanes is solubility. Now, alkanes are non-polar molecules. That means they are neutral in terms of charge. They have no dipoles. What do we know about the polarity of water? Water is a polar molecule that forms a dipole. And petrol, what about the polarity of petrol? Well, petrol is made up of mostly alkanes, so it's going to be non-polar. The alkanes that are mostly in petrol is octane, actually. Now, we get told things like dissolves in like. So what does that mean? For us, that tells us that alkanes are going to be insoluble in water because alkanes are non-polar, where water is polar. So the alkanes are just not going to dissolve in water. Why is that? It's because the interactive forces between water molecules, the intermolecular forces, are stronger than those between the non-polar alkane molecules. And the alkanes can't disrupt the interactions between water molecules, so they can't dissolve. What about in water? Alkanes are soluble, in petrol. Alkanes are soluble in petrol because petrol is basically made up of alkanes. So we've got like dissolve like. The petrol has alkanes in it which have weak intermolecular forces, just like any other alkane. And that means other alkanes can dissolve in petrol because they can disrupt the forces between the molecules and mix in through the petrol and dissolve into it.